Hello my YouTube family, warm welcome again on our YouTube channel on English Learners. And in this video, if you're a beginner of English language, beginner student of English language, or doesn't matter what is your level of this language, if you're learning or if you want to learn this language or you're planning to learn this language, this video is definitely going to help you. And in this video, I'm gonna share with all of you some tips how you can learn this language, how you can become better in this language, or basically how you can enhance your communication skill of this language. So, without any further delay, let's begin the video. If I see my journey or if I observe my journey, how I learned this language, first thing which I used to do is I used to remember vocab. Vocab means daily use words. So if you want to learn English language, before preparing your mind, before preparing yourself that you want to learn this language, you'll have to remember vocab. But I'll definitely suggest you before doing this kind of things, prepare your mind, prepare yourself that you are going to face so many issues, I can say issues or problem, or I can say bottleneck while learning this language. Even after completing 1 or 2 months or hardly 1 or 2 weeks, you're going to feel that you should give up, you should stop doing this thing. So prepare yourself, and I'll definitely suggest you before learning this language, clear your why, that why you want to learn this language, because you'll have to exist in this field for long term. So if your motto would be clear, you can push yourself in this field for long term. So, living. First, you'll have to do it. Remember vocab. I'll definitely suggest you to remember basic kinds of words like khana, pina, rona, jana, marna, pitna, like this kind of daily use vocab. I'll definitely give you a tip while doing this thing. You can write in Hindi what kind of words or what kind of verb, kriya you use in your mother tongue. Write it and then learn its English. This can help you to improve your English. First, and second is what you can do, and definitely suggest you start reading. Read books, and do not try to read in your mind. Read loudly. As I am speaking, like that you will have to read. This is second method. Why you should read, I'll also give you a solid reason, or I can say, of course, reason. If you read or if you are in the habit of reading any kind of books, no doubt you are going to get so much knowledge from that. But also when you speak that thing, your throat, I can say, is gonna get ready to speak that word. You are not going to fumble while speaking that word or while communicating with people. So this is the I can say importance of reading, no doubt. Third thing which you can do is you can watch English cartoons. If your level is not so good or you're unable to understand, listen. If you want to learn English language, you'll definitely have to watch videos. Why? Because you're not any kind of American or British, or you don't have environment. So how you can learn this language? For learning any kind of language, you need to create environment, and for environment you'll have to be in that environment. So listen songs, listen podcast, and question answers video, speech in English, cartoons, any kind of videos, but try to watch in English. As much you'll surround yourself in English language, that would be the best thing for you. Got it? Fourth, which I'll definitely suggest you, doesn't matter how you're speaking in English, but try to speak. broken spoken English is also okay. English is also okay. Don't think that when you are going to get so much knowledge, or when you are gonna become perfect of this language, only then you are gonna speak. जब तक मैं ठीक नहीं हो जाऊंगी तब तक मैं इंग्लिश बोलना शुरू नहीं करूंगी. If you have any kind of myth like this, such kind of myths, then just stop it. Otherwise you are not going to speak this language, to be honest. Because this kind of myths were in my mind. So I'll definitely tell you, if you are also feeling this kind of things, just stop it. Doesn't matter what is your level, how much you have knowledge of it, and how you are speaking, but try to communicate with people. You can use fluency application, there you can speak with people. Otherwise you can speak with yourself. You can take the help of mirror as well. Speak with pet. If you have any kind of dogs or bakri, goat, or any kind of animals, try to talk with them with your any kind of favorite products as well. You can talk. So try to do that thing. This is also a very helpful method to improve our English. Fifth, which you can do is, I'll definitely suggest you, if possible for you, record this kind of video. Why? This is also very helpful method. Like you'll know that how you are speaking and how is your posture while speaking English language. This is also very effective way to improve our English. And to be honest, I'll definitely suggest you, sixth which you should do is learn grammar. Learn grammar, ready-made sentences, phrasal verbs, idioms and proverbs, like this kind of things. Improve, work on every nook and corner. हर तरफ से knowledge लीजिए. हाँ? Grammar is gonna make you feel confident. If you don't have knowledge of grammar, you're going to make blunder, and when you make blunder, you're going to feel ashamed. You'll not get enough confident to speak with any kind of person in office, or in hospital, in court, or while writing letters. So if you learn grammar, you know how to use words and how much words you should use. Okay, so grammar you should definitely learn, and definitely you should do this kind of things as well. I'll definitely recommend you. Last but not the least is, in this journey you're going to feel so much ups and downs you're going to face, but never give up. I'll definitely suggest you. I have been learning this language since 2019, to be honest, and it's about to complete more than 5 years. So I know how much we are going to feel pain or ups and downs and problems, bottleneck in the journey. But if something matter, that is your consistency, that is your willpower, and how much you are passionate to learn this language. If you are not willing to do it, you can take pause. You can take rest of 1 month even. I was not willing to record video. I took rest more than of 15 days, and I came back with full of energy. So you can take rest like this kind of things, but you should definitely try to be in that environment, try to surround yourself. And this is how you can learn this language. This is how even I learned this language. Nothing special, you can learn it easily. This is just a language, not a subject. Try to feel this language as a language, not as a subject, English subject, nothing like that. So I shared in this video all kind of things, whatever I have experienced in 5 years. I hope that this video is going to be helpful for all of you. Anyhow, don't forget to share with your friends, and if possible for you, don't forget to subscribe our channel, because on this channel I try to bring for all of you like this kind of videos which can help you to enhance your English language. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Take care of yourself. Okay, bye. You can also follow me on Instagram. Directly you can contact me there, you can talk to me, and if you have any kind of cons you can directly share on Instagram. I'll definitely respond. Okay, and I'll definitely help you if I get time or if I see your friend request, so you can do that thing as well. Okay, bye.